So this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Microsoft Surface Book 2. This is the second generation version of Microsoft Surface Book laptop. As you can see, it has a detachable screen, so you could use just the computer in like a tablet form, or you can connect it and use the keyboard. This model here is the 15-inch model. It also comes in a 13.5-inch model. This one in here has the Intel Core i7, NVIDIA 1060, and 16 gigs RAM and 512 gig SSD. The Microsoft Surface Book 2 starts at around 1,699 Canadian. This one here retails for around 3,699 Canadian. Surface Book 2 is now available in Canada. So let's dig inside the box. As you can see here, here's the device itself. You got the Windows logo, camera, USB-A port, SD card, USB-C, the Surface Connect port for the charger and whatnot. You can see the kind of hinge design, and then when you open it up, there you have the keyboard, the display, and whatnot. There's the keyboard and whatnot. And here's the adapter, the power adapter. Here it is. It also comes with the USB port, so you can charge another device. And then here's just some manuals and whatnot. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the Microsoft Surface Book 2 15-inch model.